हाँ हो गया.
No, it's getting recorded. Now you can start.
Hello. Good morning. I, myself, Professor Prem Mohan Mishra, I am going to give you some tips to the students of class 12 CBSE board, how to secure 90% plus marks in your board exam in the subject of chemistry. Dear respected guardians and my young achievers, the students, today I want to speak to you about something very practical, very achievable, and very empowering. How to score 90+% marks in chemistry in the CBSE class 12 board examination of 2026. Yes, it is possible. Thousands do it every year, and you can be the next. First of all, I would like to show you the question pattern and marking scheme. The examination of chemistry is of 100 marks, out of which 30 marks is for the written exam. And see the distribution. There will be 16 question multiple choice that carry 1 marks. 5 questions is very short answer question, each carry 2 marks. 7 questions of short answer question which carry 3 marks. Case-based question of 4 marks and 2 questions only, and long answer question of 5 marks, that is 3 questions, and in total 70 marks. Dear friends, you are the creator of your own result. Your books are waiting, your exam is calling, and your success is preparing to celebrate you. Go ahead, make chemistry your scoring subject and make your future brighter than ever. Let us begin with a small thought. Success is never accidental. It is always the result of conscious and consistent effort. Chemistry is a subject that rewards clarity, practice, and a smart strategy. Let us understand chapter-wise, skill-wise, and habit-wise how to reach the 90+% marks level with confidence. Dear students, start with NCERT. The ultimate source of chemistry is your NCERT books. Every year, 95% of CBSE questions are NCERT based, directly or indirectly. So read NCERT line by line. Underline definitions, exceptions, mechanisms, diagrams. Solve all NCERT in-text question, exercise questions, and questions for examples. Do not leave tables, reactions, limitations, and applications unread. Dear friends, now question is how to practice. After reading one NCERT page, close the book for 60 seconds and recall the key points you have read. Memory improves 4 times this way. Now we shall start a study about the branches of chemistry. And first is physical chemistry. In physical chemistry, the proverb is practice is power. First chapter is solid state. Learn formula of density, packing fraction, and coordination number of a structure of solids. Practice numerical questions from previous papers and memorize defects of solids. There are 3 important defects: Frankel defect, Socke defect, and interstitial defects. Second chapter is solutions. In solutions, you must learn Raoult's law, colligative properties, solve numericals based on all the topics, understand want of factor, which is very common in board exam, learn ideal versus non-ideal solutions, and draw graph for both type of solutions. Third chapter will be electrochemistry. In electrochemistry, you must learn Nernst equation very well. Expected in almost every paper. Learn concepts of cell, electromotive force, electrode potential, and conductance. Solve numerical questions based on all these topics. Fourth one is chemical kinetics. In this chapter, you must learn order and molecularity of reactions, difference between the two, first order kinetics formula, that is ln A versus time graph, understand half-life, rate constant, and Arrhenius equation. Your fifth chapter will be surface chemistry. In this chapter, learn adsorption, types of adsorption, colloids, emulsions, and purification of solutions. Now come to second part, that is organic chemistry. Daily revision is the mantra for organic chemistry. First chapter will be haloalkanes and haloarenes. In this chapter, you must learn well SN1, SN2 reactions, electrophilic substitution, and mechanism of reactions. Learn properties and reactions of chloroform and iodoform. Next one is alcohols, phenols, and ethers. In this chapter, you must learn oxidation, reduction, dehydration reactions, distinguish between phenol and alcohol. Third is aldehyde and ketones. In this chapter, you must learn nucleophilic addition reactions, must learn mechanism of the reaction, and taste of compounds like Fehling test, tolerance reagent test, and 2,4-DNP test and iodoform test. Fourth one is amines. In this topic, basicity trained, Hinsberg test, diazotization reactions, conversion-based questions is very common. You must practice it. Fifth one is biomolecules, polymers, and chemistry in everyday life. This chapter is very scoring. Almost every question straight from NCERT. So again, I will say that you have to master your NCERT book. Prepare a one-page conversion chart. It will be very helpful for you. And now we come to third portion of chemistry syllabus, that is inorganic chemistry. In this chemistry, a smart learning is a smart scoring. First chapter is coordination compound. In this chapter, you must learn well Werner's theory, IUPAC nomenclature, crystal field splitting with diagram, color of compounds, and magnetic properties. This chapter has very high weightage in your board exam. Second important topic is B block elements. Focus on group trains, structure of oxo acids, preparation and usage. Learn diagram of structure. This is always fetch marks. Third one is D and F block elements. In these elements, you must focus on color of compounds, magnetic properties, catalysts, and electronic configuration. Fourth one is metallurgy. In metallurgy topic, you must learn principles of extraction, roasting, calcination, and leaching of the ores. Tips for this topic is make colorful charts for the B block and D block elements. This image will remain in your mind in your examination hall. PYQ and sample papers, your real teachers are previous year questions and sample papers. Solve last 5 years class 12 chemistry board questions. Do at least 10 sample papers in exam like condition at your home only. Check answer patterns from CBSE marking scheme. Yourself you check it or say your guardians to check it. This shows exactly what examiners expect from you. Now come to key strategy. Short answers, very scoring. So he focus on short answer questions. For that, practice 40 to 50 numericals per chapter. Numericals are fixed, have fixed pattern and will give you full marks. Once mastered, marks are guaranteed. If you master on the numericals, their marks are guaranteed. There's no question of decreasing marks. Now come to the golden rule of preparation. Your first sample paper might give you 50 to 60% marks. When you are solving paper first time, you expect 50 to 60% marks. But by the 10th sample paper, if you solve 10 sample papers, so up to 12th sample paper, you must score above 90%. And this practice brings precision, and precision fetch marks. And last one is time management strategy for 2026 board exam. Section A, MCQ 1 marks. Revise key lines of NCERT. That's sufficient. Key lines, important lines of NCERT be revised time and again. Memorize important catalyst, reagents, and formulas of compounds. Section B is a 2 marks question. Write to the point answers. No long paragraphs for only 2 marks. Third section is 3 marks question. For this, practice mechanism of reactions. Solve numericals and draw neat diagrams of various topics you have read in physical chemistry. Section D of 5 marks. This is long answer question. Usually combo of organic plus inorganic or physical plus organic. In 5 marks question, you will see mostly it is organic, inorganic or physical organic. Means organic is common in both. Present answers with a stepwise approach. Write each topic by point, giving 1 point, 2 point, and so on. Presentation skills. Write answers that impress the examiner. You must think that a happy examiner will give you good marks. So you should write in the manner so that it pleases your examiner. Underline keywords. Draw reaction arrows neatly. Write final answers in boxes. Use bullet points. Not long short stories. Sorry, not long stories. It will be point-wise facts only. A well-presented answer sheet gets 3 to 5 extra marks psychologically. If you present your answer in a well manner, examiner will be happy and he will give you some good marks. Now, revision strategy. Success equal to repetition. Follow the 3+1 rule. Revisions before the exam. 1 quick revision in the night before the exam. Now question is how to revise. Make formula notebook for physical chemistry. Next, healthy study habits. Your mind is the real examination center. Study 2 chemistry topics daily. It should be continuous, not discontinuous. 1 physical plus 1 organic or inorganic. Sleep at least 6 to 7 hours. Drink water frequently to make you fresh. Take 5 minutes break after 30 minutes of a study. Remember, a calm mind remembers more. So be cool. And final motivation, you are capable of greatness. Dear students, you are standing at a beautiful phase of life. Your dreams are big, no doubt, but your abilities are bigger. Let me remind you, The difference between ordinary and extraordinary is that a small word only extra is. So add a little extra in your preparation if you want to be extraordinary. Extra practice, extra revision, extra discipline, and extra belief. Chemistry not difficult. It is systematic, structured, and also scoring. You follow these strategies sincerely for the next few months. 90 plus in chemistry is not just a dream, it is guarantee. And now, closing lines. You are the creator of your own result. No other will help you. Your books are waiting, your exam is calling, and your success is preparing to celebrate you. All the very best for the 2026 board examination and make your future brighter than ever. Thank you. Thank you very much for listening me patiently. God bless you. Stop करें.
हाँ
अब कहाँ से मिलेगा हमको इसका ये वीडियो?
वीडियो तो पहले रिकॉर्डिंग स्टॉप कीजिए, मोर पे जाइए.
कहाँ पर? मोर, हाँ. Pause, stop. Stop करें ना.